Hello everybody, welcome back to another Matty Crafts video, and today I have 18 of these Clash of the Ring blind bags that we're going to be opening up, and we're going to be using some of these figures for some mocks. But my last video I asked if you guys wanted to see me open these or if I could just take the figures out myself and kind of make a mock with it, but you guys do like these openings, so I'm going to make a few of them out of this 18 packs. We'll be on our way. I know what I get out of these, I've already read the codes, but you guys do not, and I can assure you that they're all very good pulls. So let's make some room here. Make it a little messy. Let's just start with the first one. First blind bag. We get a Marine. The Marines in this look very nice. I am super happy to have some Halo 1 Marines, because I don't think they've ever done that before. I could be wrong, I don't know. But these Marines look fantastic. So I'm very, very happy to have as many of these as I have. Granted, I know how many I have, but you guys do not. Attaching these leg pieces. It's weird from doing the Battle of the Ark blind bags and doing all of those to now doing these blind bags. It's a lot of opening. It's definitely a lot of opening. There's this helmet. Oh, that helmet looks sweet. Awesome. How do I attach like that, I guess? And then this goes in the back. Boom. Look at me go, everybody. Oh wait, is that backwards? I think that's right. That looks right. Put on the chest. Put in the comment section down below what your favorite figures in this blind bag opening is. If it's the Marines, if it's the Flood, the Covenant Elites, one of the Spartans. I'm actually super excited for the Marines and the Flood. That's the figures I mostly care about. So getting a few of each would be very nice. Well, I already know what I got, but still. And boom, dang. These chest pieces like that. And there is the Halo 1 Marine in all of its glory. And I will admit, it's pretty glorious. This is a super good figure. On to the next. Move my phone. I don't know why I always have it next to me. Next blind bag, we get a Grunt. Oh my gosh, she's like mostly made. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh yes. Wait, is there something? Oh my gosh, guys. The Grunt's already like pre-made. That's great. And look at his like mask, it's so weird, it like comes off now? Is this the new Grunt molds? Look at that. I'm actually really happy that they pretty much pre-made the Grunt, because the Grunts out of all of these are probably some of the hardest figures to make, I would say. So that's awesome that they pre-made the Grunt. On to the next. Hey, we got an Elite. Oh, there's one more piece in there. Oh, a few more pieces. Looks like he has a ton of parts, or maybe I'm just going a little crazy. That could be. I mean, I could be crazy. Who knows? Anyway, we have the Elites here. See if they did anything different with the Elites molding. So you still have to assemble the Elite pretty much fully, but that's not that big of a deal. I think these leg pieces are different. They have to be, right? They look different. That's wrong. I did that wrong. Didn't I? Did I do that wrong? Sorry, give me 1 second here. Yeah, I did that right the first. No, I did it right the first time. Okay. I was so confused. There we go. Kaboom! Get these pieces on here. Oh, this goes on first. Then this. Chest piece. Back plates. Oh, I'm doing that wrong. You guys definitely don't come here to watch the amazing builds, that's for sure. Okay, this is actually bothering me how I'm not putting this on right now. What? There we go. Thank you. Elite head. Put on the helmet. Put on these shoulder guards. I think that's the right way. Give him his plasma rifle, which is made out of rubber, which is kind of weird, but I'm not too upset about it. Bend his knees in a bit. And there we go. We have the Elite, and it's really good Elite. I like the molding on it. I think it looks really cool and similar to the Halo ones. And I just ripped off his torso because you know, you gotta do that sometimes. Yeah, super cool figure. Really like him. If I could just, okay, breathe. Elite Grunt Marine. What are we gonna get out of this one? Another Grunt. Thank goodness, dude, they made the Grunts easy to put together. I wish they did that with the Elites as well, or pretty much just any figure, just pre-made them, but I'm happy the Grunts are put together. That's awesome. Next pack. Another Marine. It's weird, some of these only have a bungee around them, and then some of them are made like they have plastic around them, the little instruction manuals. That's actually kind of strange. I don't know why that is, but whatever, I guess. It's not a huge deal. It's weird not being like super consistent. Put on these legs here. Put on this back piece. Put that on wrong. Honestly, I think these Marines, I'm so happy. A, they made them, which I'm pretty sure they're exclusive to this blind bags. And B, that they're Halo 1 Marines, because Halo 1 Marines are sweet. I love it. I love the art style on Halo 1. There we go. Another one of them made. 2 of those, 2 Grunts, 1 Elite. Next bag. Another Marine. Good Marines, 1 Elite, 2 Grunts. Another Elites. Maybe like a Sentinel, like a buildable Sentinel or something. That'd be kind of cool. I don't think they've done anything like that. I'm not sure. 2 Elites, 2 Marines. Last poly bag of the video. And another Grunt. So we're just getting all the Covenant and the Marines in this one. which is fine. I'm not upset about that. We have a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're gonna do one more actually, then that'll be the last one of the video. There we go, 3 grunts, and we'll take this left poly bag here. And another marine. Keep grabbing them all, keep grabbing them all. And there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed the first pack opening video. Got some decent figures in here. The elites look really nice, the grunts look really nice, the marines look fantastic. I'm super happy with everything I got. So if you enjoyed, like, comment, and subscribe, all those fun things, and I will see you in the next one.